Hi there, this is our TOS SN50B by 2 metres between centres lathe. Czechoslovakian, very well known, they've been around for a long time. Good, strong, heavy lathes. This one's in good condition for its age. It's got a quick change tool post on it, halogen light, coolant system. We've fitted a new digital readout display. You'll see through the photos pretty much its condition. It's pretty tidy for its age. Alright, we'll just go through it. That's the halogen light working there. I can start that coolant up later. This is nice to move. Cross slide's good to move. A little bit of play in that cross slide. Compound slide feels good. And a little bit of play in that. Tail stop moves nicely and locks. Goes in and out good and locks there. And the inside of that tail stop feels good. I'll start it up. So that's the main motor working. You may not be able to hear it, but the coolant pump, I've just switched it on, that's ticking over. I'm just going to run it in 45 RPM, so that's reverse, neutral, forward. I'll get that lead screw going now. So that's the lead screw engaged, going that direction. I'll change that direction of that drive for that. So that's bringing that carriage back towards me now. So that's the lead screw. I'll engage that feed. You've got a nice sort of a T arrangement here, joystick. So that's just engaged the carriage coming towards me and now going away from me. Cross slide, going away from me there and then coming towards you. So those are the feeds there. And I'll run you through the gear range. That there should be 63, 90, 125. And now we'll go into the faster speeds. So that will be 355. $500. 17. 1,000. 14. the speed 2000. So that's the gear range there, works nicely, and there's probably not a lot more to explain. So yeah, good, well-known machines, suitable for heavy work. This one's the 2 metres between centres. It's got those couple of features of the quick change and the digital readout, and she's all set to go.